As we know, summer is here and day by day the sun is throwing enormous heat on us, and due to that, everyone is feeling fatigued, sweaty and messed up. So staying hydrated is the most important factor to keep going in this sweltering heat. During summers, our body loses water at a faster pace due to excessive sweating, which leads to weakness. So to help you guys, today we are going to suggest you 5 summer beverages that will beat the heat. Let's begin. Number 1. Aam panna. Summer means mango, and this aam panna drink is an absolute treat to our tongue. This beverage will keep you refreshed and will help you to stay energized throughout sunny days. Number 2. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is a traditional beverage that has been drunk for ages to beat the summer heat. It helps us in digestion and it also helps us to stay hydrated. Number 3. Coconut water. A chilled glass of coconut water can instantly give you a boost and will help you to get energized. It will reduce your tiredness to a great extent. Number 4. Lemonade. A quick and easy drink that you can make yourself. You just need a lemon, sugar and a glass of water. If you want, you can also add some spices like cumin and black pepper to make it more tasty. Lemonade is very good at cooling down the body and it gives us energy. Number 5. Watermelon juice. Watermelon is one of the best juices to have in summer because it refreshes us and its hydrating properties helps the body to stay hydrated and fresh. So these were the 5 juices that will help you to beat the heat.